All right, hey guys, Josh Kent with US Arms Co. right here. Want to give you guys a quick rundown on our cam lock receiver, what makes it so special. All right, this patented technology right here is basically going to turn your AR-15. It's going to increase the accuracy by blending the upper and lower receiver together with this cam lock technology, and it basically is like bedding a bolt-action rifle, but for an AR-15. We hope that you guys come by our booth here at SHOT Show 2022, and we look forward to seeing you guys and explaining more about our patented technology for cam lock. Thank you guys, and we look forward to seeing you.